Chef Rain.
Hi guys! And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Grab your cart.
I'll grab a basket.
You want a basket?
Mm-hmm.
I carry the basket. We're gonna meet at aisle 10. When you're done. Yes. The first one's done. Get it cooked first. First we need bacon. We need baking powder, chocolate chips, salt, heavy cream, Rotel. I think we should get butter first. What you think?
Yes.
Let's get some butter. Come on, let's get it. Where is the butter?
Did you take it down the grocery picker?
We need unsalted butter.
Unsalted? Okay.
Yes. I don't see the butter though. Do you see it?
Mm-mm.
Butter, where are you?
I can see my leg over the aisles. He's so tall.
He is super tall. Margarine, it's all the way at the back.
Martin.
Yes.
Hi, Martin. Hi, Martin.
Come on, Rain Painting. It's unsalted, the blue one. Okay. Now next on the list is heavy cream. Should be down here somewhere. I can find nothing else right here.
Who's this? Home Alone.
Ooh. Home Alone? Where?
Right there.
Oh, it is, because it's about to be Christmas time. It's probably down here. Okay, the Rotel. One. Get the chunky, hot, mild, no salt added, chili. Which one you want?
No salt.
No salt, grab it. Okay, Rotel's out the way, heavy cream. We need salt, chocolate chips, baking powder, and a snack. Ready?
Yes.
Come on. Cake misses, it should be down here. Stop. Oh, look at them. Let's see. Losers.
You're a loser.
Pick it up, baby. This, okay, we need baking powder, I think. Yep, we need baking powder.
Yeah.
They're looking for baking soda. Sorry, baby. And we got baking powder. That's cornstarch. Okay. Put it in there.
We're not telling you where it is.
Yeah, it's a can of stuff. It's like that. Or you get anyone. And now what we need, Rain? The chips
Chocolate chips.
and a snack. Chocolate chips are somewhere down here, I think.
Mm-hmm. It should be. Mommy, now I want to be the last thing.
Yep, those are the cheapest one. Yes, you gotta find your school snack.
I'll look up here.
So you want cookies, crackers, or do you want something different? Do you want chips? Snack, that's always snack. We gotta focus or they're gonna beat us. That's what you want to take to school for a snack? The indecisiveness. Yes.
Peanut butter. Zamora would love that thing.
So we won. We're waiting on the boys to get back, but we got all of our supplies and we might as well just save a spot in line, but they're kind of slow, so
Say
who
hi
knows?
to Jeremy.
Hello.
Yay! How do you feel about winning?
Great.
You feel great? What was the hardest thing to find?
Honestly, it would be nothing.
Nothing. It was pretty easy. We
That
did.
was
Should we go find the boys?
No.
Was they lost?
We'll find their way. I'm sure.
My man in there. She's so cute. I love Eve.
Rain? No, it's not you. How with that? Nope.
These bananas are kind of hard. Good thing that my hands are washed. I could do this.
You getting it good. Okay. And then you could pour your butter in there. Ooh, she's a baker, y'all. Chef Rain.
Hi, guys.
Good job. Yeah, get that yolk, girl. You're doing really good, actually.
I know, because I'm a baker. It smells like bananas.
It does.
I think this is good.
Let me see. Make sure you. Ooh, good job. Yep, you did it great. That's perfect.
On top.
Yes, on top is perfect.
Sizzled.
What do you need? Use that glass thing on the top. Yeah. And
Salty, salty, salty. Salty.
kids are so gross. Wash your hands. Don't touch nothing until you wash your hands.
What'd you just do?
Put something in his mouth.
I did it.
You just licked your finger.
No, I
Let me play it back. Kids are so gross. Kids are so How's it going over here, guys?
Dude.
Y'all don't look like y'all got far.
You look like you need to go ahead and do what you need to do. We got this over here. Bam. No, hold on. Let all the dry ingredients in.
Does it look good?
Ooh, it does.
Alright, go ahead and mix that a little bit. Go ahead and mix that a little bit. Okay, I'll go mix it. I'll mix it. Not good.
Straight back, baby. Let me see. Like this. Keep it open. Get all the goodness inside. Come on, in it.
Let's look at this one.
Look, it's so good. Look.
Two at a time. I get one, you get one. Let me know when that's 7. Because I don't really
1,
count
2,
this.
3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we need one more. Yeah. Let's
Now,
see.
I need to put one of them. I play.
Okay. Well, let's go then. Go first. With your BLUE. Right? I'm sorry, but you gonna lose.
How do you know?
Because I got nothing but great cards. Okay, you skipped me. Your turn again. Yes. Oh, a 6. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you the draw 2. Okay, I can do that.
Put all my cards.
Yeah, let's go. Okay.
9.
Okay. Skip you. Right. Then we gotta hit you with the draw 2.
2, yeah.
No, you gotta draw it. You can't lay down when you're drawing. So I'm gonna lay this down. Now it's your turn. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down. What color is it?
Red, because I got blue.
Red? Okay. I don't have a red, but I do have that, and the color is blue.
I don't like you for that.
There you go. Okay. Your turn again.
My turn again.
Yep. You don't have any 2s? Crazy.
It's blue.
You got an 8. Good. The color is red.
I'm in luck.
You're in luck. Uno out. And I didn't say Uno. This was a school night, so the kids had to go to bed. But this is our finished product, and they both were so good. But I love the traditional banana bread a little bit better, which was the boys' side, and the kids love the chocolate chip. So